The next video is going to focus on the use of bus lanes along Welford Road. As you leave Aberdale Road, notice the giveaway lines. You must give way to vehicles coming from your right. As you enter Welford Road, look at the road signs. It states that the bus lane is active between 7:30 and 9:30 AM Monday to Friday. If it is outside of these hours, you must use the bus lane. As the road begins to filter down to one lane, check your right-hand door mirror for overtaking traffic. The next bus lane sign states that we can use the bus lane, but don't use it, keep to the right-hand lane. The reason for this is there's going to be a lot of parked cars along the left-hand lane. As you come over the brow of the hill, past the pedestrian crossing, you'll see the parked cars. If at this point there weren't any parked vehicles on your left-hand side, check your door mirrors and move over to the left. As you reach the end of the bus lane, if you've not been told that you're turning right at the far set of traffic lights, you need to pick up the left-hand lane. If you are turning right at the top end of the road by the traffic lights, keep to the right-hand lane.